Hi everyone, this is the Motivair compressor that I picked up. I was going to make a little bit of a restoration thread on this, but it's a beautiful sunny day, so I kind of just cracked on with it because we don't get that many nice days. So I thought I'd just see what I could get going. Obviously, originally it was 3-phase, so I wasn't able to test it. So I've swapped out the 3-phase motor, the original one, the SEM one I believe it is, with this old, I think it's a GM, maybe, yeah, Delco by General Motors. My dad used to use this as a motor for a grinding disc, so I've made a new plate for it and managed to fit the original flywheel on it. Yeah, got the belt on. I've had the end caps off the tank, gave that a bit of a clean, and currently the motor is just wired off the plug, but I have opened this up and examined it, and with a little bit more wiring, and I know like the polarities now, I know what the connectors do. There's like a pressure release switch which will trip out to cut out the motor when it reaches pressure, and there's like a little adjuster in there. So I will be wiring that in. Obviously there's no cut off at the moment, but in theory, let's have a look. Fire straight off. So that should be blowing out, so I released it. So if I close that off, yeah, it's running really nice. Nice little Motivair Smith's gauge. Something else I did, well for my dad, mainly, with a little bit of my help. This thing weighs an absolute ton, so we've made this little trolley for it. It's just on some polycasters, and I haven't fitted it in properly yet, but we've tapped some holes in so it'll screw to the base, so it's nice and safe, and so I can actually physically move it without killing myself. Running, not getting warm, the motor's not getting warm, so I was worried because this is slightly less powerful than the original. I think the original was 3 horsepower and this is only 1. But it seems to be running it okay. Yeah, if we come around now, up to 20 pounds. I mean, it's raced up to 150 psi, the tank is anyway. I won't need that amount of pressure ever, I doubt. The original reason for buying this was just to use it for a spray gun, so I can spray on Morris, and because, yeah, it's fun. If you're going to get a compressor, get a cool one. This one's a watch. It's such a great noise. And obviously I'm going to wire it into that switch properly. And I did test this earlier. I got it up to 80 with no problems and left it for 20 odd minutes. And I think it only dropped maybe 10. No, not 10, sorry. What are the increments? Yeah, it's like half one line, so maybe 5 psi. Yeah, holds pressure really well. So the emergency cut-off valve's still working. So that should be going down. Yeah, there you have it. Get the motor wired in, so it's using that cut-off, and you can use the proper switch. Give it a clean up. Job done.